Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe, and most definitely welcome. So Muvhango has confirmed its ending on Twitter. They wrote end of the road for Muvhango. Thank you for watching all these years. I'm going to put screenshots at the end of the video so you guys stay tuned. I think a lot can testify that they've learned a lot of Tshivenda and Venda culture from the soapy. The first episode was aired on 7 April 1997 and the last episode was aired on 2 July 2024, which means that they've been on our screens for the past 27 years. And the real reason why it has to end is because SABC delayed in renewing their contracts. Their contracts were meant to be signed in March, which is the end of their financial year, but nothing happened. SABC was also not happy with Muvhango's storyline. The SAB felt that Ndlovu needed to put more energy into the soapy. I think I agreed to this. He didn't put much effort. I last watched Muvhango, I think 4 or 5 years ago because of their storyline. He has always held the SABC at ransom because of his political connections. He always argued that Venda people did not have their own TV show and that they needed Muvhango. That's the reason why for the past 4 years, the SABC has always delayed signing contracts with the company. I think Muvhango was good when Tandaza was there. The rest of the years, I don't remember enjoying watching it. So the other thing is that Ndlovu lost interest in Muvhango itself because he had a long-term contract with Mzansi Magic. That's why the SABC executives decided to pull the plug on Muvhango. Other thing is that Duma Ndlovu has a good relationship with MultiChoice executives where he has been offered long-term contracts. He has Umkhokha the Case and also 2 other soapies that are coming up. So I don't think he's worried about Muvhango ending. He's still in the game. Let me know what you guys think about this. To me, I think it's sad. I know I don't watch it, but for the Venda people, it's something they were used to. 9 o'clock, they would watch Muvhango. Thank you guys for watching.